Welcome to the Nothing Box, our favorite place to hang out when we're just busy doing nothing.
It all starts with knowing who we are here on Earth. We always talk about how we can protect the environment, but those are just figures. We've seen a lot of animals in our whole life, and some have unspoken similarities to us. We're aware about their attachments to their own kind, though sometimes their emotions are a bit frightening. The following videos and footage will show us how animals feel and react in dire situations. Here is a heartbreaking dog's funeral. It took me a while to process this scenario in my mind, because at first glance, it may look like a bunch of dogs are digging into the ground, but the real story is this pack of shelter dogs was trying to cover their dead friend with soil. Using their snouts and paws, they managed to fill out the grave with dirt until the top. The footage came from the caretaker who was about to bury the dog, but instead, he gave this moment to the dog's friend to say their last goodbyes. It is such a heartbreaking moment to see this kind of very sad ceremony from these dogs. Here is a monkey who saved the life of his fellow primate after it was badly hurt from a railway in India. It looks like the helpless monkey was electrocuted from walking on the high-tension wires in the railway station and then fell unconscious on the tracks. The video was taken by one of the commuters in the railroad station. So here you can see that the fellow primate apparently attempts to resuscitate his friend by repeatedly biting and dunking him in the water. Though a bit groggy than normal, the monkey is eventually revived and the pair was seen walking away. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more interesting topics like this every week. A bear saved a drowning bird. The owner of this footage was lucky to capture this moment from a zoo in Budapest. It looks like the bird was having a rough day and accidentally fell on the ditch. The bear could have ignored the poor bird and just continue with his snack. But instead, he made an effort to reach out for the bird's wing and grab it by his teeth. And that shows real compassion. A horse feeds his friend from the next stable. So it's not only humans that are capable of showing kindness to a friend or a loved one. In this case, it's a horse that makes an effort to feed his companion. Well, never mind the barrier, but these two are such beautiful creatures and this moment was captured by the owner. A dog stays with its dead friend after being hit by a car. This incident happened somewhere in China. If you notice the dog's face, he was indeed crying, and it seems that he's waiting for someone to rescue his friend, but it was too late. I hope that the video owner has tried to help these two dogs which are trapped in the middle of the busy road. A lion saves a baby calf from being attacked by another lion. These are one of those bizarre moments that you won't see every day in the wildlife. It looks like the lion would enjoy a playtime rather than to eat the poor calf. But the other lion was not in the mood to. Instead, he's sneaking around and waiting for a chance to grab the calf. The way this lion protected the calf from another lion is indeed a great example of mercy. A piglet rescues a goat from drowning. Well, it looks like the goat was stuck in the middle of the river, and because of the current, he couldn't manage to get himself out of the water. Good thing, his friend Piglet bravely rushed beside him and pushed the little goat to safety up to the riverbank. Did you know that most animals view life in vivid colors? They know exactly their kind and whom they belong. They understand who are the predators and as well as their friends. They are competitive and ambitious. Their existence on Earth is essential just like us humans. Here are some of the unusual bonds and friendships that we've seen from animals, whether they came from the same species or not. In a world where cruelty is inevitable, there is always a silver lining, and some of those lessons we will learn from nature itself. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Did you like our topic for today? Check out our latest videos and other cool stuff by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the latest updates. Till our next video, ciao!